everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programs Made Simple. So in today's video we are going to study the program WAP to enter a number and print its factorial using for loop and while loop. So firstly we should know how to take out the factorial of a number. So if suppose we want to take out the factorial of number n, we can take it out by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till this becomes 1. Okay, so for example we want to take it of number 5, it will be 5 into 5 minus 1 4 into 5 minus 2 3 into 5 minus 3 2 into 5 minus 4 1. So when it will come to 1, we will stop running this thing. Okay, then taking out the multiplication, 5 into 4 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120 and 120 into 1 120. So the factorial of number 5 is 120. So we are going to use the same process with the help of program. So let's study the first program with for loop. So we can take any class name. For example, I've taken class ABC. In void main, I've initialized integer n as the question is asking to enter the number to the user. Okay. Now integer f is equal to 1. This integer is taken to calculate the factorial of the numbers. Now running the for loop, in I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. This means that the for loop will run from number 1 till the number entered, that is n. So for example, if the number entered is 5, so the for loop will run from 1 to number 5. Okay. Now f is equal to f into n. So suppose f is 1 in the starting. If you want to take the factorial of number 5, so I in starting would be 1. So now the value of factorial is 1. Then I becomes 2. Now the value of factorial is 2. Then I becomes 3. So the value of factorial is now 6. Then I becomes 4. So the value is now 24. Then I becomes 5. So the value is now 120. So thus we can see, if we are going to do this, then we will get the same result as over here. So the program is based on this only. So now printing the factorial SOPLN F. Okay, now we are going to do this same with while loop. We can take any class name, for example class ABC. In void main, I have taken integer n as the question is asking the user to enter a number. Then in while loop, you might be knowing that we have to initialize everything in the starting only. So I have initialized integer f is equal to 1 and integer I is equal to 1 over here. Okay. Then running the while loop, I should be less than equal to n, which means that the while loop will run up till I is less than n or equal to n. So now f is equal to f into I. Again we are going to do the same thing. Then we are going to update the value of I. Now printing the value of f, which is the factorial of number n. So now we are going to get the factorial of the entered number.